Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACBFF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, once again, definitely some updates need to be made as the bulls made another solid movement. First thing I'm going to do is just house cleaning here and get rid of these lines. Actually, both of them, yeah, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines everywhere and risk causing clutter and confusion, so let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, and really just kind of one of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal level is right up here at $6. I mean, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? If the price can somehow stay up above $6 now going forward, that would be a massive sign of power. Don't get me wrong, though, if the price falls below 6, I'm not saying everything's ruined or anything like that, but if the price, like I said, can manage to stay up above there like it did do a good job of today, then that would be a very solid sign of strength on the bulls' part. Taking a step back, though, looking at things from the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher and basically form a trend line. So it's going to be a trend line that draws itself for you. So bottom line, as long as the price stays above that quote-unquote trend line, as the trend line itself draws itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no question about it. Staying above $6 sure would be great, but big picture point of view, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, main one seems to be right here at $6.40. Yeah, I get it. The price did, jump up quite a bit above there, but that was just for one data point. There's, very clearly a couple more data points, more so right here around that area. So to me, 640 is kind of the quote-unquote truer level of resistance, and that's going to be the main point to focus on going forward. So keep an eye on that, and if the price can break through there, then yeah, maybe the price very well could shoot up to the 670 mark. But at the end of the day, as long as the price continues to chip away with higher lows, that's the name of the game. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.